Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to help you fix fail to publish listing error on Facebook Marketplace. So if you're encountering the fail to publish listing error on Facebook Marketplace, this guide provides simple solutions to help you resolve the issue. So first, you need to check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection and try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router. You can also try closing or reopening the Facebook application. But if you're using the web browser, click on the three dots in the top right corner, click on Settings, then go to Password and Security and select Delete Browsing Data. Check the box of cached images and files, and also select your time range and click on Delete Data from the bottom. Then after verify that your listing complies with the Facebook Marketplace policies, remove prohibited items, avoid misleading descriptions, and complete all required fields accurately. If you uploaded many high-resolution images, consider reducing the number of photos or compressing them before re-uploading, and ensure that your web browser is also updated to its latest version and then restart it. To ensure that, click on the three dots in the top right corner, click on Settings, then click on About Chrome option, and here check for updates. You can also go ahead and disable browser extensions. Click on the extensions icon in the top right, or you can click on the three dots, then select Extensions and click on Manage Extensions option. And temporarily disable ad blockers, VPNs, or privacy extensions, as they can sometimes interfere with the marketplace functionality as well. And open an incognito or the private browsing mode, and sign into Facebook and attempt publishing your listing again. If your marketplace access is limited or your account has other restrictions, you will need to resolve these issues before you can publish the listings. Occasionally, the problem may stem from temporary Facebook server issues, so you need to wait a while and then try publishing your listing again. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.